We're back in the day with Jay with us here. He's going to do some welding, cutting, and whatnot. Shaping, apparently. So, yeah, what we've got is on the front here, we're going to redo that radiator bracket that was all smashed up. Got some bits on the floor there, ready to go. And then we're going to maybe look at the radiator in the back and go from there. Yeah, so we've got the old bracket here. It's bent. A bit of metal there, so we're going to just use a bit of that, bit of that, bit of that, make a new one to replace the bracket that's missing there. And then the other day, went to Darren TV's place and acquired this radiator. So just going to have a look at, see how we can mount this radiator in the back, so you don't have any more issues with blown radiators in the front.
Tell me when.
Yeah, we're good. It's good, yeah. I'll worry that the battery goes out.
We reckon good length.
I reckon so. It's got to be, yeah, this has got to be wide as the rails.
Yeah.
And we've got to knock that one there back down a bit.
Down.
Or this in, we'll make it work.
Oh, there goes your wheel.
I thought it sounded bad.
Yeah, so did I, but I was like, that'll be right. This side's higher.
Yeah, fix that. As in there, or the whole thing?
I think the whole thing might be.
Try that.
Oh yeah, that looks better.
Yeah.
Getting there.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just put them there, we can just knock them, make them match, and we're shearing.
Yeah.
Talking about there.
Does it fit?
Yep.
Like just throw it in the camera.
Yeah, really.
You gotta leave that in.
What's that?
You gotta leave that in.
Yeah. Maybe there somewhere. Actually, used to live down there, right? You see where the water used to be? Yeah. Maybe smash that back in place, make a match.
You did that with your old welder as well?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
That water there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
other one. Buy it from us.
That's the bought one.
I think it sticks better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Runs a bit nicer than the...
Yeah.
I'll try.
Pretty strong.
At least you know your car's get some strength in it. Wait for the lights, camera, action. Got there in the end.
Yeah.
It's a bit harder when it's real
Yeah, it's real
thin stuff and you don't have the right
Yeah, that's right. That'll do the job.
the right sort of electrode for it.
Oh, we'll just do it again.
Yeah.
I reckon this is it with some paint.
Getting out the sun for a second.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll give that a hit with the paint and prime flat black. Bit of run out, but you get the idea. Makes much neater. Right, there we go. We've got the bracket back in, painted matte black, make it a little bit better. Next step is we're going to take this guard off because we're going to put on there. Take this door off. It's a bit of a mission, so we can have a look at how we're going to mount this radiator in the back. And let's message Radiators 5 Glass Bodies about getting a new door made as well, just to replace it because this one's a bit on the U side. We're going to take the old bracket out, we're going to move that fully straight. sent the small young guys in there to do that. So, see how he goes.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's riveted in.
Hit the grinder.
What the?
It's the wire.
What was there?
Whatever. Get it replaced. We need a wire harness for it.
You got one?
Yeah.
It's a lot lighter than I thought.
Oh yeah? Reuse these brackets, gonna drill some holes in it to mount the radiator to. So we can do it one-handed. Maybe not, we'll be back. Okay, we're almost done for the day. What's next? We're gonna make a bracket for the radiator. We've reused these bits here for the bottom. We're gonna get that bit of metal there. Jay's gonna do it. Cut it up and say put like a frame up across and down. Mount the back of the car, then we can start putting covers and stuff on it from there. And also we've got these some sort of brackets from Bunnings with holes in the side here, so we're just going to stick them through there, and when that frame goes up there, we'll just mount that to that frame to hold it in place. So yeah, that's sort of the idea. So you're going to have a bracket like that, right there. On the other side, at the unbolt the radiator from there. So bar across there, bar across the bottom, and then we've got to figure out how to mount it to the floor. And then that's going to be the start of our radiator bracket. There you go, done for the day. So we've got the front fixed up a bit. We went to the side here. I got that door off, but I realised it's got rivets in the bottom. So while it's on the trailer, we can't really get it off. So I can stay there for now. So we cut the bracket out. The radiator bracket was never used that was in there. It's been cut out. So we started to repurpose that to that bracket. So as always, don't forget to like the video, share the video, make any comments, any suggestions, any ideas. Send money, whatever. I thank Jay for coming out and give us a hand. Get the duck off, going to a party tonight. So, as always, see you next time.